guys, what's up? It's your girl, Jaclyn, and I'm back with another video. So today, I just want to get cute. So I'm gonna try eyeshadow for the first time. So I did get the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. I ordered this online and it came in like 2 days ago. So I'm gonna be trying eyeshadow for the first time. And then I honestly don't even know what I'm gonna do with my hair. I'm gonna figure that out after we try an eyeshadow look, okay? So if you guys wanna see how I do my eyeshadow for the first time and what I do with my hair, just keep on watching. Okay, I just want to let you guys know that this is not a tutorial. If you guys want to see the products I use and an actual step-by-step of how I apply my makeup, I'll just leave the link down below for my previous Get Ready With Me video. Okay, so yeah, I'm like, ooh, I almost dropped it. But yeah, I am terrified. So yeah, we are going to try this bad boy out. I honestly don't even know what color to use. I'm lost. I am stuck. I'm stuck. And y'all, I watched so many YouTube videos and I still don't know where to start at. Like, lost. Okay, I'm just gonna go for it. Hopefully I do not look like a clown. So I'm going to, maybe I should swatch this first. Oh, that's cute. Oh, but I did see somebody using the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in the color Milk as a primer. So I am going to try the same thing, okay? Okay, now I got my Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm pretty sure this is like, I think this is an old one, I'm not sure, but I like the colors in it, so I got this one. So I wanted to do like Easter colors, but no. Okay, didn't want to try to do that right now, so I am just going to go with like neutral colors. So I'm just going to go in with that color. It's the Silk Cream. I really wish that my light was broken so you guys could actually see what I'm doing. And then I am going to try this color, which is the Pooter, I think, Pooter. And then I think I'm gonna try this color. It's Buns. I need more brushes because this is like the only kind of eyeshadow brush that I got. And again, y'all, this is not a tutorial, okay? I think I'm gonna try the color next to it. This one, which is Jax. I think it's Jax. Looking crazy. Okay. And then I'm going to try this darker shade right here. It's Chip. I'm gonna try Chip. Ooh, I like Soda Pop. No, I'm gonna stick to Chip. Yeah, stick with Chip. Okay, y'all. I don't know, it kind of looks like I got a black eye. Okay. I kind of want to go a little darker, so I think I am going to go in with Soda Pop, which is this one. Yes, that's Soda Pop. Yeah, no, it does not look that bad. I'm actually kind of proud of myself. I wanna see, and like on camera, it does not look like nothing, but you can see everything. I don't know, y'all. I'm gonna try Central Park. Try a little glitter. I'm gonna take Suede, my trusty old concealer. Just put a little bit. Bam, just a little. Bam, just a little. Oh, let me stop blinking. Okay, take my finger. Can y'all see that? Okay. So I'm gonna take, maybe Little Lady. Take Little Lady right there. Gonna use the same finger I blended that in with. Yeah, now I'm just a little less nervous and just want to try everything. I'm gonna take this SBN. Y'all look crazy. I look crazy. Yeah. But I'm gonna just put on my lashes. I'm done. Y'all, I can't. I'm gonna just put on my lashes and see what happens. Okay? I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, I am back. And now that I got my lashes on, y'all, it does not look as bad as I personally thought. It does not look as bad as it did before. I would put on eyeliner, but I don't know. I kind of like putting on eyeliner, but maybe I will. Maybe I won't. But yeah, definitely like it. So what I'm going to do next is use that pencil. This pencil, the NYX pencil, and line my waterline. Y'all, it does not look bad. Y'all, I am surprised, literally. I am shocked. I am really, really shocked. Yeah, I've been into curly looks lately, so I'll be doing another one. I have my curling wand plugged up right now. Whenever you're doing wand curls, you want to do it on stretched hair. So that's why I blow dried my hair. Yeah, I said I was going to save it from heat, but I just needed to blow dry my hair. At least I'm not flat ironing it, you know. But I'll be using the Tresemme heat tamer spray. Just spray that over my hair. Yeah, I am done with my hair. But I'm going to be spraying my hair with the Tresemme Firm Control Ultra Fine Mist. And then I'll just be going in with my Mielle Rosemary Mint Strengthening Oil. Okay guys, this is it. This is the look. I hope that you guys love this video. Go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Make sure you guys subscribe. Hit that subscribe button now. Go ahead, I'll give you 5 seconds. Okay, you hit it? Okay, that's good. So, hope that you guys love this video. Make sure you guys follow my social media as well. I'll be having those down in the description box. Especially follow me on Instagram. That's where I'm more active on. I'm kind of active on Snapchat as well. But yeah, guys, if you guys want to see me do a different look or something else, just go ahead and comment down below what you guys want to see next. And definitely stay tuned for my next video. I'll see you guys soon.